Okay.
So in this, for this scenario, I shifted to, first H4. I goes for the very much basic of the trend identification, which is higher high and lower high concept. You got my point?
Yeah.
Like, look at this. The basic, this, if you look at this particular area here, this is your high. Just a minute. Just a minute. So basically, this is your high, isn't it, brother? That high got broken. That high got broken means this trend is started to goes out on here as a bullish market. As I said, whatever I'm seeing on my chart, I'm going to replicate everything on from here. Not going to look for back data again. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what happening in here? It did every time giving us a retracement. It created a high here. It created a high here. You see that high?
Yeah.
And then that high also got broken, so remaining it created this high. See it?
Yeah.
And where is the low it created before creating that high? Simple as it is, this is the low it created, isn't it?
Yeah.
Once that low got broken, I will start my today's trade. If you are, as I said, I am as a daily trader, I will continue this particular V level. So this is the V level broken again. This means this bearishness is started to down, and then this is the high. This is the low of this particular bearish movement. You see it? And again, once this low is also broken, this is the low, this is the high. Now this particular low is broken, that low is created on here, and where is the high created? This high. You see, brother?
Yeah. Yeah.
It means I am kind of now in a sell position, which is showing by my this chart, and this particular low, once it got broken, this created a new low, so which is this low, and this is the one that is created as a high, means I am still in a bullish bearish market until now. What is going on here is it's just the internal formation of this bearishness, like this one. You got it?
Yeah.
Once
Yeah.
this high got broken, I will consider myself to look for more bullish. Like now we are in still in a sell mode, which is creating this internal information. You got my point?
Understand.
Now, the once you identified the H4, which is like this one, if market come back on here, you can literally sell. You got it? You can literally sell.
Mhm.
Here you can look for now H1 to more filter like this. This is the main H4 area where if market goes and it gives us a very solid sell setup, we can literally hold that setup as a swing. At least it should broke like this part. You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
In lower time frame, what we are going to do, you already know, in H4 we are in sell, and H1 every time market going in upside, it's a retracement. Okay, the sell one we are
Yeah.
looking for as a continuation. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Also, as I say, I do not I'm not a big fan of a trend line. So if you do some very basic trend line here, which is A level to A level, and this particular area is a very much nice area to sell if market goes there to till this part. Now once you come enter on that sell, so what I will suggest now, every time you are entering in a buy, you close that buy either 60 pips of you, or you want to trail it to till next EG. But if you enter on a sell, you can do two things. One, you once you hit your like let's say you enter on a 10 pips or 50 pips as sell, okay, on 1:2 hour you close that trade. Remaining you can put B to try to trail it to till there. You got it?
Yeah.
So this is how actually I identify my trend as a trade daily. This is what I identify. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I understand. So just a 4 hour engulfing.
So
Follow your plan.
sometimes I go to daily. When I'm telling you when. Let me see some example so that I can confirm. Like look at this particular area.